Hi everyone, I'm Ben Jones, CEO of Data Literacy here at dataliteracy.com. Welcome back to our video channel. Now, this is a part of a playlist called Resource Reviews, where I go over helpful resources you can tap into to improve your data skills, right? So this video is all about the Nightingale Magazine. Now, this is a journal of the Data Visualization Society, or DVS. So it's put out there by a very dedicated team of editors, including Jason Forrest, Emily Barone, Claire Santoro, Julie Brunette. And so these are people that are working really hard to create a highly valuable set of resources. This is the third issue. So I have the other two here as well. As you can see, they come out, looks like 2 a year right now is how often they're coming out. They're about $40 each. You can subscribe for $70 and save $10 to get 2 in the year. But this is not a little magazine. It's over 125 pages long. It's got lots of articles. The theme of this current issue is guidelines. So this is something that if you're into data visualization, creating charts for other people to consume and understand their data, it's helpful to understand some rules or best practices, how to think about those rules or best practices. Are they fuzzy or are they written in stone? They talk in the articles about how maybe the field of data visualization has evolved over the years and in its thinking about those sorts of topics. And so some great articles in there. There's also a big section here on accessibility in data visualization. And so that's a hugely valuable topic. If you like resource reviews like this video, then you'd really love the section they have toward the end on reviews, where they go over books and podcasts that different people in the field have agreed to, read or follow and provide their thoughts about it. So yeah, it's really thoughtfully, artfully, lovingly put together. I've really enjoyed kind of thumbing through it. There's little challenges in there you can participate in. There are, reviews or sort of profiles of different practitioners in the field, and who they are and what they're doing. And so there's just so much in here. Like I said, I would really recommend you pick up a copy of this. Again, it's the price of a book, but it's also, I think, the value of a book. And some very, very talented people and well-known people in the field have written in this current issue. So I've actually written in one. I wrote in the first one. And, they pay for their writers. I don't get an ongoing fee, but like a one-time fee. So just full disclosure there, I did write an article in the very first issue for which they gave me a small fee, which I really appreciated. Also, my organization, Data Literacy, has a partnership with DVS where their members get discounts on our training. So I thought I'd throw that out there. I don't really get anything. We don't get anything at all if you purchase the Nightingale Magazine, though. I just really think it's amazing. So thought I'd just reference it. Like I said, it's nice for a field and a discipline like ours, data visualization, to just have such an amazing print publication. I knew way back when I first started working for Tableau that it would be a great thing to have a really high quality print publication. And I would say they took, any idea I had about what that might look like to a different level. And I'm really thankful that they've done that. It's really brought the field together, turned it into a real community of practitioners, really thoughtful people, thoughtful articles. I think you'll find them helpful. It's going to help you really fine-tune your fluency in the visual language of data. Okay, so there you go. Check out Nightingale Magazine. Highly recommended. Look for the next one coming soon. Talk to you later. Until then, subscribe. Let us know what you think in the comments, and we'll see you again real soon. Bye now.